Hi, I'm Ying, I'm 28, and I'm a manufacturing engineer in Rolls-Royce. My favorite toys when I was a kid includes Lego, planes, kites, and empty cardboard boxes. These toys inspired me to get into engineering. To me, engineering is an exciting, diverse, and dynamic career choice. My role model was actually Leonardo da Vinci. I had a poster of him and some of his mechanical inventions in my room. When I was a kid, I didn't know much about engineering, so I wanted to be a pilot, an architect, and an artist. So I went to Glasgow and did a bachelor's degree in mechanical design engineering, and I completed a master's in University of Cambridge on industrial systems manufacture and management. After that, I worked in a startup for 4 months before joining Rolls-Royce as a full-time engineer. As a manufacturing engineer, I use data to solve problems and make our manufacturing process more efficient. This includes reducing costs and improving quality. What I love about my job is to be able to drive innovation and have an impact in the society. I also get to learn something new every day. What is the most unexpected thing about my job is actually it involves a lot of collaborations and specialists from different function areas. It's amazing to see the amount of knowledge and experience that goes into engineering a product. If you're thinking of a career in STEM, I would advise you to explore your options and align your field with your passion. There are a few things that I didn't know exist when I was looking into a career in engineering. For example, you can have mechanical engineers that design props for movies. You can have electronic engineers that design systems that smash atoms together, as well as you can be a test engineer who tests planes in extreme weather conditions. Engineering is using physics to make magic real. Someone even engineered the invisibility cloak from Harry Potter. To me, STEM means endless possibilities.